Welcome to the part 3 of this tutorial. In this part, we're going to form the wire of the USB. Let's start by selecting the top face of the USB, like this, and next we create a rectangle with 1 and 10 units. And then we copy this rectangle with the distance of 3 units to create another. And we move them on the most left midpoint to here, below the wire in the middle. No need to be precise on this. And extrude the rectangles we made. Extrude them by 1.5 units. And then copy them upwards by 2.5 units. And next, we subtract them to form the wire pattern, and it will create something like this. And we are going to make some more patterns for this wire, that blocks. And this time, select the face on the side of the USB body, like this. And then we create another rectangle, 1 and 10 units rectangle, like before. And just move it to this side. It's a bit hard, and really no need to be precise on this. And extrude the rectangle. Put a number wherever you want. And manage to make a copy of the block. Make a copy and put them aside. And again, no need to be precise on this. And subtract them. And now your USB will look something like this. I think it's pretty cool, right? And now we can continue to the next part.